I like balance.
AI video doesn't need to look more cinematic. It needs to behave more cinematic. And that's exactly why Seedance 2, currently marked as coming soon on Higgsfield, is generating serious discussion inside the AI video community. Today, we're going to look at what Seedance 2 potentially represents, how it fits inside the Higgsfield workflow, what first access might mean for creators, and why this model could signal a shift in how AI video is evaluated. Alright, I'm on Higgsfield.ai right now. If you've used Higgsfield before, you know it's structured around controlled AI video generation, not just random prompt-to-clip outputs. And if you scroll through the available models, you see Seedance 1.5 already established as a baseline. But now, we're seeing Seedance 2 labeled as coming soon. That label alone is important because it suggests a deliberate rollout, possibly first access, limited release, or early creator testing. And when platforms signal something this way, it usually means structural improvements are the focus. Let's zoom out. AI video has gone through 3 phases. First, visual novelty. Look what AI can generate. Second, realism. Look how real this looks. Now we're entering a third phase. Workflow readiness. Can the footage hold up in editing? Can it maintain temporal stability? Can it support cinematic structure? And the public discussion around Seedance 2 is centered exactly on that. One of the biggest talking points around Seedance 2 is camera behavior. Not just motion, camera logic. Inside cinematic filmmaking, camera movement has intention. A tracking shot follows spatial rules. A push-in builds emotional tension. A review controls pacing. Random camera drift breaks immersion instantly. If Seedance 2 improves directional consistency and spatial awareness, that's a foundational upgrade, especially inside Higgsfield, where creators are layering typography, motion design, and timing. Because the AI output becomes part of a structured workflow, not a one-off clip. Another key theme in early conversations around Seedance 2 is temporal stability. Short clips can hide flaws, but sustained shots expose everything. Lighting flicker, texture shifts, character identity drifting, background warping. The real test of AI video isn't a 3-second clip. It's whether a 10-second sequence maintains spatial relationships and motion logic. And that's what people are watching for with Seedance 2. Scene level coherence over frame level beauty. Now, let's talk workflow at a high level. Here's how Seedance fits inside Higgsfield's ecosystem. Step 1. Generate your AI video base layer using Seedance. Step 2. Bring it into Higgsfield's editing environment. Step 3. Add motion typography, overlays, timing adjustments. Step 4. Refine pacing and structure. Step 5. Export for final edit or compositing. If Seedance 2 improves motion stability and camera logic, every downstream step becomes easier. Cleaner cuts, more believable pacing, less fighting the footage. That's workflow value. There's also growing curiosity around free Seedance access and potential integrations like CapCut Seedance workflows. If Seedance 2 becomes available in lighter or integrated versions, that lowers the barrier for AI filmmakers dramatically. CapCut already plays a major role in AI video editing pipelines. if structured AI video generation meets accessible editing platforms, we're looking at mainstream adoption acceleration. That's not small. That's ecosystem expansion. Seedance 1.5 set the baseline for visually coherent short-form AI video on Higgsfield. But the conversation around Seedance 2 is different. It's not about sharper frames. It's about stronger temporal control, more deliberate pacing, more stable motion, more consistent spatial logic. That's not flashy, but it's cinematic. The interest around Seedance 2 isn't about declaring it the best AI video model. It's about direction. The future of AI video isn't just realism. It's sustained cinematic structure. If Seedance 2 delivers even incremental improvements in coherence, camera logic, and editability, then AI video isn't just generating scenes. It's starting to think in sequences. And that's when AI filmmaking truly evolves.